Hey, what's going on, guys? Trent here from JP Street and Performance. Today we're going to be doing the intake on my 2017 Audi S6.
Yeah, let's get this video started, you guys. All right, first step, you're going to start real easy. You're just going to pop your cover straight up to gain access to your intake pipes and your air filter.
All right, first thing you're going to do is loosen these clamps up. We kind of started that preemptively, but you're going to want to loosen up these clamps because they're going to come off when you get ready to install your other set of tubes and filters. There is clips on the intake itself, and it rotates to pop that off just like that. Just one clip here, and that's the only thing that holds this thing on. Still isn't broken loose. You can use a flat tip screwdriver to go around the seal of the intake inlets themselves to kind of break that loose, especially if you just got done driving. It's going to be hot and it's going to be stuck.
Yeah, like this engine's hot right now, so just for you guys, you can kind of do this. Just be careful not to tear, if you ever want to reuse those stock boots, not to tear them.
Underneath your box here is actually not hard. There's just little clips. You're gonna pop them just like that, and this whole thing is gonna remove. The next thing is just to depress these to be able to take the actual housing out from the actual scoop that goes into your grill. First, you're gonna put for the inlets to the turbo, and these are gonna clamp on. Make sure your clamps are facing the way that you want to be able to access them if you need to take them back off. Which we will eventually for the rest of the build.
Alright, then you guys are just going to tighten those down.
Alright, right now we're just setting up the hose clamps for the install, but basically this one, your rear one, is longer because it's going to angle down into the airbox area, and then your shorter one is going to angle above it in here and almost lay directly on top. So once we get the back one in place, we get it as low as possible, we'll angle the top one the way we need it to so that they both fit in perfectly. All right, so this you install in the back of the filter. You set it up here. That's gonna go over that like that. Then you're gonna drop it down in to the area where you want it.
What you guys want to do is you're going to want to tighten your filter first, get it all snug down in this area, and then leave this one loose here so you can rotate this up to make sure it's sitting where you want it to sit afterwards. Because if you tighten that first and the filter's bumping against everything, you might have rattles under your engine bay there. So And so this will actually pull air through the fender well, through the grill, you guys, but we're choosing to leave this on as well to really direct cold airflow from the front of the grill straight into that filter there. And then a secondary filter will get air from down inside this fender well and up. So they'll both pretty much get directed cold air as you're driving down the road. Spin it all the way around so that's on the bottom too.
It's connecting.
There you go, like that. Just like that. I think that'll clear. It's under the weather stripping, so where the hood closes. Should be good.
What I'm gonna do is loosen this one, rotate it.
Rotate a little bit, yeah.
Down.
And you guys will just have to kind of play with all the mounting points, and like ours was hitting the hose clamp, so we're turning the hose clamp down. Just to make sure nothing's rubbing in places it doesn't need to be rubbing, so.
Well, that's it. Quick and easy install today, guys. You know, again, try to remember you're going to have to adjust. You're going to have to move your clamps where you need them for everything to sit the right way. And then make sure fitment's good.
Yeah, awesome, you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video from JP Street and Performance LLC.